Okay, the first word you hear in this particular line of dialogue is the word 喂, which means hello. Now, it's not hello like in, hey, how's it going, buddy? But it's more like a hello, or as a guy I went to school with's mom used to say, hi there, when she answered the phone. I liked it. It was kind of cool. 喂 is basically hello on the phone. Or if you're trying to get someone's attention,
That's
you can
true.
say 喂,
Right.
or even 喂, 喂. Anyway, W-E-I. Second tone if you want to sound more unsure, or fourth tone if you want to sound like you're trying to get someone's attention. So let's practice that really quick. On the phone, really quickly. My English are great. 喂, say it after us. 喂.
喂.
Now let's pretend you're trying to get someone's attention. 喂.
喂.
And that was not...
Did I get your attention?
That was actually quite loud. You popped my eardrum. That's how you say hello on the phone, or hey if you're trying to get someone's attention.